Hello everybody, E here. Today I got another package. Super excited about this one. Let's jump right into it, shall we? So again, I know what this is. I even kind of know what it looks like. After all, it's the cover is a painting of mine. The design of the book isn't, but the painting is. So, alright. Ooh! Shit. Alright, here we go. Take the bane from them boxes. Paul from Thunderstorm really wraps his stuff up very, very well. Whew. Okay, so this, ladies and gentlemen, is the sound of broken ribs. Okay? Okay? Now, let's take off the dust jacket. Ooh, looks cloth bound. Rad. Ooh, that is nice. Alright, so that and is that alright? Okay. I designed the signature sheet here. Okay. Oh, but that's not actually the title page. That's the title page. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Alright, so the acknowledgments section. Many thanks to Gregor, Janie, and Sarah for reading this first and saving me some headaches. All three of them helped me in some kind of way. Then the epigraphs. I'll tell you all of my fears. I'll tell you all of my shame. If you'll just lend me an ear, that's all I want. That's from John Gomes. Gomes? I'm not really sure. The song's called Everything. Look it up on YouTube. Amazing track. And then there's some stuff I'm going to leave. Yeah. I'm going to leave secret. But look at the layout, man. It's nice. This is the 6x9 regular edition. There is another version coming for the All Things Lead to the End series. The deluxe editions will start coming this fall from Thunderstorm Books. Bay's End is up first, and then that's in the fall. In the winter is the deluxe edition of The Sound of Broken Ribs. Then The Bedding of Boys in the spring. Everything is Horrible Now in the summer. And then, let's see here, No Home for Boys, ending all fall next year. Okay? Anyways, I will leave links down in there. I think there's a couple of these left. If you want to grab them, they're $45 plus shipping. I think it's like $5 in the United States. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to grab one. And I have an E, you have an U. This has been the unboxing of The Sound of Broken Ribs. If you want to subscribe, click here. If you want to see more from me, click here. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.